So I'm going to write a program which starts with main function. I'm going to declare some variable I. Okay, now I'm writing my loop. So I need to initialize my variable. Whatever I have written, I have to initialize it, and I'm going to initialize it with 0. Initial value should be 0. Then I'm giving it a condition. So my condition is that I is less than 7. So it will be repeated 7 times until it reaches its value less than 7, which is 6. Okay, now here you can write your increment. You can also write the increment in the body, but later after the execution I will tell you how to write it in the body. Okay, now here we are going to write our statement. So our statement is just a text, but you can include many more things. Okay, I'm gonna write I equals person D. Okay, now here what do I mean by I? So I'm by person D, so it means I'm referring to I. So I'm gonna write I here, and after that I'm going to finish my program with a return value of 0. See? Okay, it's quite messy. Let me write a new line character. Yeah, good. Okay, so as you can see that when it got repeated 7 times, for I is equal to 0, I equal 1, I equal 2, I equal 3, 4, 5 and 6 less than 7. What if this is I less than or equal 7? Then how many times are we gonna execute it? Okay, so the compiler will execute it 8 times, including 0, so it's 8 times. Okay, yeah, as I said earlier, that how can you write your increment instead of there in your body, in your loop body. So let me remove from there and let's write it here, plus plus semicolons. Yes, so you can do it. You can either write your increment there or you can write your increment here, just like for loop, while loop, sorry. So what kind of possible errors can you make? So you can, sometimes I forget or people write greater than 7, which is a blunder, and you will see that you will get a blank page without anything. See, you got nothing. You got nothing. Reason? Because the condition was not satisfied. The condition is not true. Because the initial value of I is 0 and it will go until it reaches 7. But here, what am I going to do? I give it a condition which says I is greater than 7. So this is gonna give me a blank page and nothing. So let's return to our original program.